The South African music industry is mourning the passing of Kwaito star
musician and producer Mampintsha, whose real name is Mandla Maphumulo.
A giant in the industry dubbed a musical beat maestro.
Was part of the award-winning group Big Nuz.
Effortlessly talented Mampintsha produced and worked on some of South Africa's most loved hit songs.
It's a difficult time for us in the industry.
One thing that I have learned as a human being from Mampintsha is to love.
How is Babes doing, and also how's Baby's Spongy doing?
Engathi Mrs. Maphumulo uNkulunkulu angakubiyela aqinise konke okufiswa uwe.
Ngixolisa nothi wena ukhazini
impilo yena kweBabes has been a life of fun.
10 times, yeah.
abakaze bafona ngizofonelana mina
ubuhlungu engabuzwa yinoma ukuthi iconfirm ukuthi useshonile kodwa mina ngawubonanga lowo mzimba ingatholanga nalelo thuba lasesibhedlela lokumbona nakuseqanathwa nomngcwabo wakhe neveni kodwa la ekhaya akaze kuziwe asihlonishwe kodwa lo muntu uzalo mama
Mother wakhe unkosikazi kaMaphumulo yilo
Ubaba wakhe umzalayo isoka libalwa isoko lengizakusile lafika yahlubana naye ongakaza phone yasho lutho
umntanakho umntanakhe
usangixalela yini
bese kuba yilo baba uSimelane
sisavumelana kahle sengeniwe ngaphakathi ukuthi hayi ke nangu baba uSimelane wesemlindini isikhathi eside usezokhombisa uma umzimba womntwana wakhe hayi ke zaduma
ngiyayisaba lento ezokwenzeka
ayiyabona ke manje ngizosithanda umphathana naye manje semsebenzini nama ngezenza lutho kuleyo.
It's pretty clear that it's not a joke
ufuna ubakhandela ichaos umhlaba wonke
and ama-challenges iqalile
ngibheka umbhobho wesibhamu njengazo ukubona ibizelelani isibhamu noma udade wakho moshekile ukuhlehla inani ngabe bephuthunywana yini le phuthunywa sasitshelwa ngamafa manje
Ngiyayithanda manje.
sengiyitholile iphinga baby thank you baby la ngathi mengivula ifoni igaxa ingani
Uyazi, ngisale ikhonve yazi.
khona naloku ngakhula nakho mfowethu yathi babe ayikhathi khona uyazi zikhathi lapho
abawena